people. Yeah, you already know. We back at it like we never left. Today I'm switching it up, people. You already know. This video, my people, is gonna be on a Aporro brand. On a necklace I got a tennis chain, you feel me? We collabing, but I ain't even gonna front. If it's whack, if it looks cheap, man, I ain't gonna sell it to y'all, you feel me? I don't want y'all getting back at me like, yo, you said it was fire and it was strong. As soon as it got here, broke and all that. I'm gonna be sincere, B. I ain't playing around. I'm gonna let y'all know how it shines in like real time, you know what I'm saying, live, and how it feels, like durability, everything, you know what I'm saying? You know how I do, man. Ain't nothing. I got you, you know what I'm saying? Hey, yo, but before we get into that, my people, pardon this little interruption and all that, but I'm doing a giveaway for a Supreme shower cap. Yo, in order to be part of that giveaway or to enter that giveaway, all you gotta do is stay to the end of the video, because I'm gonna let y'all know. I'm gonna tell you at the very end of the video the details, instructions, and steps to follow to be part of the giveaway or to continue to be part of the giveaway. You smell me? Or just don't. But right after this video, make sure you go check out that website, Aporro.com. I'm gonna put it right there. My URL is gonna be in my more info, and y'all can just look at anything y'all want, choose if y'all want to buy something, or tell me to get something if I can show you on the next video, you feel me, like a Cuban link or something. This time I got a tennis chain. You know them tennis chains are like the diamond chains all coming down. Yeah, I got that, you know, I'm trying to flex. You know, I'm trying to flex and all that. Let's see what's up. Let's get into the unboxing, you feel me? And then I'll let y'all know more about the brand. A nice little Aporro bag, that's fresh. And then it comes with a box, a little box, like a jewelry box. And it says Aporro on the outside, and they have like their logo. The logo looks like an A, and it looks like an arrow at the same time. It's fresh. Look at that right there. Bam, let me open this up. It has the Aporro right on the back with the logo, a little plastic bag. It has a pouch for you to put your chain in whenever you want. And then it has like instructions of how to clean it, maintenance, all that other stuff, you know, and it shows you how it was made and all that. Wham Bam MoneyGram, if you want to take a look at that, is right there. Boom. And then you also got a business card from them, which shows their Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and email. And it says a writing at the top. Then I open up the plastic right here. Boom, it's just a regular plastic. Open that up. Oh, and here's another plastic, which could be annoying for the first time, but if you think about it, it's good that they have plastic like this, because if not, the chain would have been wiggling around and messing up probably through shipment and all that. I like that they put it in separate plastic bags and stuff like that. Alright, so let's see what's up with the chain. I'm unraveling it right now. Yo, hey, yo. Yo, this is kind of fresh though. It doesn't feel cheap at all. Look at this, my people. I'm gonna have to throw this on ASAP. You know what I'm saying? Bag sign outside. Yeah, I ain't even gonna lie, my people. It feels very durable. It feels strong. It doesn't feel like those little cheap 25-cent machine type things, you know what I mean? Alright, man, the first thing I want to go over, the lock right here. It has a little lock that you can just like push it in right here. You push the other side in and it clips on. Boom, that's good, and it stays steady. You know what I'm saying? On the clip, on one side it says Aporro, and then on the other side it has that logo. That's nice. Look at that. It has all the diamonds coming down the side like this, and it's attached by this silvery like metal pieces. Look how that looks right there. Bam. It has the holes in the back, just like this. Bam. It looks official, because I've seen like official ones and they be looking like that, you know what I'm saying? The same design and all that. This one, the one that I asked for, was a size 24, so it's 24 inches long, you know what I'm saying? So let me see how that fits on me right here. 24 inches. Boom. Bam. It's a little longer than my other chain, you feel me? Bam Bam MoneyGram. Look at that. Hey, you know, I have to get another chain because this is my Golden Gloves chain. This is more like a trophy because it's my Golden Gloves chain. It's not like a flossing, like flexing type of chain, you smell me? Bam, so let me take this off or tuck it in just so y'all can see this one alone. Bam, bam, yeah. Yeah, you already know. Yeah, that's that 24, so the 24 comes up to like right on my chest, right here, right in the middle. Boom, you see that? That's fresh, I like that size. This was a perfect size. Exactly what I expected, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I ain't even gonna lie, overall, this is fresh, B. I like it. Like, it gives me that little bling. And just because you buy from this brand, it doesn't mean that you buying like fake stuff or replicas or whatever, because they have like real diamonds, fake diamonds, you know what I'm saying? Like ZZs, you know what I'm saying? Whatever it is, they have different stuff, you know what I'm saying? So you can cop whatever you want. If you don't have enough money to cop the real diamonds and stuff, it's just jewelry. It's not like you're saying that it's diamonds. You're not going around saying I got 20 carats, you know what I'm saying? You're just saying, yo, I got jewelry on that I like, you know what I'm saying? I like to have jewelry on, whether it's real, whether it's silver, whatever it is, it keeps you nice, and I like to have jewelry as well. Real, fake, man, it looks nice. And if you want to look nice for a certain day, here you go, man. You know what I'm saying? Don't front, my people. Yo, I ain't even gonna hold you, my people. You know what I'm gonna do for y'all so y'all can see the chain real fresh, up close and personal, because that's the only way to see it, you know what I'm saying? From this distance, you can't really peep. So I'm gonna zoom in for y'all, just like I do in every one of my videos, so y'all can check out the chain, just in case y'all want to cop, or even thinking about copying, you know what I'm saying? Or you just curious, my people. I got you, my people. Hey, yo, Charles. Hey, yo, zoom in for them, B. Woo!
I do it for my squad now. I do it for my bros now. I do it for my gang now. I do it for my fam now. I do it with no handout. 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 I do it for my squad now. I do it for my bros now. I do it for my gang now. I do it for my fam now. I do it with no handouts. 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 I don't got too many niggas round me. Always on point, don't try to line me. I be pushing weight like a lineman. Body cold like I've been low on iron. Anemic looking nigga who you slept in. Since a young and low.
I do it with them. Hey, hey, yo, it's time, my people. Yo, y'all saw that little zoom in? Y'all saw that zoom in? Real talk, my people. Y'all not gonna say that that chain is fresh. The chain is super fresh. So I know y'all like that zoom in, and I know you like that video, my people. Even if you don't like that video or that zoom in, it doesn't matter. You've been watching this whole time. I'm sure it's been like 4, 5, 6 minutes. I don't even know, my people. So you might as well subscribe to my channel, like my videos, comment on my videos, whether you think it's positive or negative. My people, is all positive, man. Trust me. Hey, yo, my people, what's poppin'? I thought I forgot that giveaway. Never that, my people, never that. Yo, you already know I'm doing a giveaway, my people, for a Supreme shower cap. I'm about to send that like in 2 days, man. I'm tired of doing this videos with the giveaway. I want to do a new giveaway already. So if you want to be part of the giveaway, my people, what you got to do right now is go check the Aporro website right now. Go check the Aporro website and check all the chains, check all the pendants, check all the necklaces, check all the bracelets, check everything they got, man, for real. And comment under this video and let me know what you think I should cop next. A Cuban link, a pendant, just tell me, man, and I will cop it and I will review it and let y'all know what's up, my people. It ain't nothing. And that's how you win the shower cap, man. Damn. Yo, when you see like a bell under my video, the left or right, I don't even know. One of these sides is a little bell. Yeah, that one right there. Yeah, you gotta press that, man, because that's like my notifications and all that. So if you press that, as soon as I upload a video, you get an alert ASAP. Like, hey, yo, J Money dropped a video, B. You gotta go check that out, you feel me? You smell me? Or you don't smell me, my people? Come on now. And yo, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Prince Fiorentino, yo. You don't even gotta remember the name. I'm gonna put the link right there in my more info. You gotta do is click that link and boom, 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 whoop. It's gonna take you right there, my people. Stop playing with me, you smell me? Yo, and if you have any questions, any ideas for new videos, or anything you need me to legit check, my people, all you gotta do is direct message me. Yeah, DM me on Instagram, my people, and I'll reply to everybody. It ain't nothing, you smell me? Yo, real talk, my people. Don't let me down. Go check Aporro.com, win that shower cap, and show love to the people I'm collabing with, because they showing love to me, my people. Let's get it!
I do it for my squad now. I do it for my bros now. I do it for my gang now. I do it for my fam now. I do it with no handout. 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 I do it for my squad now. I do it for my bros now. I do it with no handouts.